I've been mortified, fortified, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45.
Alright, so I didn't show you guys, but the boys are just wrapping it up right now, and we'll get a cold start pretty soon.
On through it. One bolt away from being a 2-day job.
Your light's fucking off.
My light? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's on. I turned it off. I don't want to waste the battery.
My future's so bright, I don't need a light.
I don't need a light. You can't?
Tell him. Yeah.
I could never be that guy.
We all know it's black nigga genius. Everybody love the culture, they be black by conviction.
Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Just opened up the shop. Me and Laura are the only people here right now. Today we are working on Lonnie's car. Pretty sure we're gonna finish that today. We're still waiting on a stock file for this car and for me to finish taking off this wrap. I don't have a lot left, but it's just annoying. Besides Lonnie's car, I think we're still waiting on some stuff for the Lightning. If it's already here, then we're gonna work on that. If not, then we might actually start working on the RTR. It's been so long, so I'm honestly excited for that. Yeah, can't wait till that car's back on the road. Why'd you do that?
Yeah, we all know why. I'm that piece of shit. I went to pet him. He turned around and ran off. Like he makes the rules around here. Not today, bud. Put his food on top of the fridge. You ain't gonna eat until I scratch that fucking head, bud.
He really puts fucking food on the fridge, bro.
Yeah, I did. These hoes ain't loyal, dog.
Hey, call him out.
Shelby, you hungry? Hey, little kitty. Shelby. Shelby, come eat. Come on, Shelby. He literally watched me put the food on top of the fridge.
What?
Shelby! He's mad. Come here, Shelby, you piece of shit! Think he's just gonna come over here and get that when I ain't watching? Don't even want to tie your shoelaces. Congratulations, Bobby.
No, Bubba, it's a style. You wouldn't know if I'd have told that.
Style? Bro, what do you mean style? Is this your outfit? It's called style?
Yes.
I can't tell where your fucking white side of your shorts end and your legs begin, you pale ass motherfucker.
Get him, Bobby. Damn. Damn, Jay with the fresh cut.
Yeah, shaved it all off, boys.
Alright, what are we starting with? You guys are gonna do the OPGs first?
Oil pump gear and crank sprocket for sure.
Okay. You guys gonna have to take the blower off?
No, I don't think we're gonna have to take the blower off, just the front end assembly.
Okay. We got Jax over here working on this wrap. Okay, I see you, bro.
The legs this morning, dog. I'm tired. You can't tell.
Oh, baby ass legs.
Don't put that in there, dog. Come on, man. Don't do me like that, dog.
Alright, so the car is opened up. I don't know exactly how much they have left. I'm just doing an oil change on the Explorer, and tomorrow we'll finish this car. Wrap is off this car, and now we're still waiting on a stock tune. Besides that, yeah, see you tomorrow.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How about nigga
So
rapping?
what's going on, everyone? Today we are still finishing this car up. Should be done today, and I'm pretty sure Mr. John Gaylord is coming to the shop to adjust a couple of things on the custom exhaust that we're trying to come up with. So we'll get a bunch of content from that and see maybe when we're gonna be able to release them. But besides that, yeah, let's do it. Whoa. Wow. Whoa.
What
What are you?
What up, Doubt? Whoa, me. Whoa now. What's going on?
You
got them stickers on, boy.
Yeah.
I'm like walking past it.
There's no tread.
Just, what do you mean?
Like,
Oh. Wow.
yeah, I'm still gonna buy the new ones this week, but
Wait, so these are, you just put your old ones back
yep,
on?
I was like, I'm tired of that fucking
Gotcha.
look.
What up, doggy?
Yeah. What up, dog? All right, so Rick just made me some stickers that we're gonna have on the website pretty soon. You wanna tell us a little bit about them stickers, boy?
Well, we want to open up to having like more fun car decals on the cars, and then we want to probably put them on our cars, take some photos of them. Actually,
a lot of some of the other ones.
A lot of these are going to be inspired by just us over here. We got the Only Digs, as well as in that shape. We got the Just Sell It Bro. We got the Send It.
Oh, we're gonna have to put this on my car too.
Oh, absolutely. And then we have the Hello Officer. So just like fun shit like that. I think that's it for now. That we can just kind of offer on the website, and it's fun, and people can buy it and put it on their toolbox or their cars, or buy it as a joke. Doesn't matter. Just get it. So I just brought a couple of samples that are on the website right now, and you can get yourself some.
Yeah, she's all timed up. Just cleaning up the surfaces where we're gonna mate the cylinder head meets the timing cover, right, in a couple different spots, and so you have to put a little RTV there to keep it from leaking. So you got to clean the old RTV off. So I just remove it with either a regular razor or a plastic razor.
Damn.
And then when I'm done and I get it pretty well off, I just rub a Scotch-Brite on it 10 or 12 times, and it'll smooth it up real good for the fresh RTV. So once we get that cleaned up, I'll clean up the timing cover. We'll put this thing back on, and we'll have it back together, breathing life here soon.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, what up, brother? How you
Good
doing?
to see you. Good.
Yeah.
But can one of you guys explain what we're doing today?
Lonnie's car with the OPGs. We
sir.
are also installing some gauges, one of which is a wideband. So we got Mr. Gaylord in here to weld up the bung and install the bung, so we can install the sensor for the wideband gauge.
Yes, sir.
My hamstrings burning.
Little baby ass.
Those are leg muscles, by the way. No, y'all don't.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I mean, bank one I would think would be the leading, right? That if they're gonna do anything in the timing tables, it's gonna be based off of bank one.
Heard.
So I would probably do this one.
All right, let's get some B-roll, people. Damn, I missed out. Wait, is it that right here? Wait, where's it at?
The other side.
Other side.
Back.
Oh. Damn, boy. It's sticking to your hand? Yeah. I was gonna say, just put a little bit more.
We need a new one of these. That's out of this, man. I've been using this all day. I'm done.
Yeah, we don't have that much left.
Barely.
All right, let me get a new one. All right, so this is a wrap for today's video. We don't have much left with this car. I'm pretty sure all we have to do is the gauges, but Adam has to leave for an emergency. And Jay is busy right now, actually, with a customer and with stuff that he has to do inside the office. So pretty sure this is gonna get moved till tomorrow. But besides that, OPGs are knocked out. And yeah, we'll see y'all tomorrow, yeah?